Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I've been asked since I've started showing you the probe videos if you could actually probe a steak, as in use the probe that's built into the Ninja Foodi 15IN1, stick it in a steak, put it on grill and make the perfect steak. So I've promised Dom a steak sandwich. We've got ciabatta already buttered. So will it work? Now that is the question. So how do you like your steak? We like ours with a bit of pink to it. So I'm going to go with an internal temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, and that way what I've found is that when it's resting it should hit the perfect pinkness. So fingers crossed that we can actually get this right, because we're using some fillet steak. This is the fillet steak I've picked up here from the supermarket. And then keeping it simple, because steak is all about tasting a gorgeous meat. So I've just got some salt, and then I've got some Montreal steak seasoning. I love the McCormick steak seasoning. I think it's absolutely amazing. I always have a jar of this in my drawer, so I'm probably even going to take this with me travelling because it's just so nice. So, shall we get started and get the probe on? So, we've got the steak out, we've got a chopping board out, which is perfect for seasoning your steak on. So, you want to add some salt to the top of your steak. I love rock salt, it really does make the steak taste amazing. And then, like I said, steak seasoning. Any steak seasoning of choice. This is just what we prefer to use. You can use any you want. So, sprinkle a bit onto the top. And then that's your seasoning done. And then we can get it on. So, we're going to use the grill setting because the grill setting has a higher heat. And with the Ninja 15IN1, the basket is quite low. So, if you just did it on air fryer, it wouldn't really give it the oomph that you want with your steak. So then, grab your steak. That's our steak there. Gently pop it in. Got it out, and now you want to get out your probe. So your probe, if you've not done it before, then check out our other probe videos because they go into a lot more detail. And then you want to grab your probe out, and remember it's this bit that goes into the side of the Ninja Foodi, and it's this bit that goes into your steak. And then pop it in. And then for your steak, you're looking for about there to pop it in. You want to do it at an angle because you want that perfect internal temperature. You know, if you go too deep, then you just get in the little bit at the bottom of the steak. So try and go in at an angle so that then you can get it at the thickest point. And then we can get the lid down and get it on. So for your steak on the probe, you're looking for the grill setting. So you're looking for 240 Celsius, that's 465 Fahrenheit. And then you're looking for manual, and you want to set the temperature depending on how you like your steak. We're setting ours to 50 Celsius on manual, and then press start, and it will then beep when it hits your ideal internal temperature. Then what you have is you have your target temperature and the current temperature. If you've had your steak sat out a bit whilst you've been getting ready to season it and whatnot, then the internal temperature currently will be higher compared to if you grabbed it from the fridge. So we're actually going to time it now, so I'm checking the time and I'm going to see how long it actually takes in minutes versus how long it takes to hit the 50 degrees. When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description, and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video. So, how long do you think? for grilled steak, up to 50 using it. Well, I'm just looking at my watch now. 6 minutes, can you believe it? 6 minutes to cook a fillet steak using the probe. And the thing is, you would always guesstimate it, so by using the probe you can get it spot on to your liking. So, lid up. Let me show you that steak. Oh, doesn't it look fantastic? Oh, it smells so good as well. I can't believe it. I've already had one, so I've got to give this one to Dom, unfortunately. I could just see another one though, because they're so nice. If you've not done a fillet steak yet using the grill function on these gadgets, oh, it's amazing. I can't believe it. It must be, I'm just trying to think now, it must be about 10 years, I'd say, since I first taught somebody how to cook steak in the air fryer. And now you've got this brilliant machine where you can stick a probe in for the perfect internal temperature. It's just amazing. So shall we let it rest and then we can pop it out, and I can slice into it and show you just the lovely colour of it. So isn't this cool? The Ninja 15IN1 actually tells you when to stop resting it, which I just think is hilarious. You know, you can't believe in this day and age that you actually have a machine that can tell you that. You know, so it's great for all of you that struggle with steak and don't know how to do its doneness or how long to rest it for and such like. I just think it's brilliant. So anyway, it's rested now, so let's grab the fillet steak out, shall we? Just take a closer look at that steak. Doesn't it look fantastic? I'm amazed. So let me slice through that steak. Oh, and it looks amazing, doesn't it? And I just look at the colour on that steak. Oh, wow. So let me give you another close-up of this steak because it's amazing. Look at the colour on that steak. Doesn't it look fantastic? Oh, wow. So Dom said he would like me to make it into a sandwich for him, so he's already buttered some bread so we can load it up. And it's just perfect for that steak sandwich. Then of course we've also got videos for chips as well, so if you'd rather have steak and chips, then go for it. Oh no, this is a big sandwich. If you think that's just normal, 170 grams, so that's, I think that's about 7 ounce steak. Oh, wow, look at that. Just look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? And there you have it. Steak cooked with the probe as well, which I think is brilliant. And now you know how long it takes to cook, and now Dom's got a lovely steak fillet sandwich to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck round to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.